Hi everybody, how you doing? Welcome to the channel today. Look what I got. Got me one of those travel mugs here. A rug man.
The
Yoink!
Intact Insurance app is your perfect driving
How
companion.
about that? Isn't that great? Rug man to the rescue. Got my caffeine-free Diet Coke in here. Fantastic. Just saw the inflation report get released. Looks like it's slightly lower in intensity, and I think the market's going to react nicely to this for a little bit. We see the yearly CPI in core CPI down to 5.4 from 6.6. Core CPI minus food and energy is better, climbs 0.3%. 12-month CPI shows 7.7% from 8.2% in the prior month. There's just indications of better inflation for this 1 month than before. It could well be that because of gasoline prices having dropped off so much from the 5s and 6 range in the summer to the 3-4 range in the fall, that is finally registering into the system, and there's a little bit of a reprieve. We'll see about that. Fair enough. Could be that President Biden is the greatest president of all time, and that the administration is doing everything right, and American people are being well served by an administration that is lowering inflation and making life better for everybody. Do you think that's what it is? Because I don't know if the Republicans will admit that, when inflation drops, that's because the president's doing a good job. Because the president does a bad job when anything bad happens. When anything good happens, it's Donald Trump that is affecting gas prices, I'm sure that's what it is. I just like to needle people once in a while. Make sure, are you awake out there? Are you watching me? Hello, everybody. Too much fun. Here in Canada, we're just the same way. We have bad news come out economically. It's the Prime Minister's fault. We have good news coming out. It's the hardworking Canadians that are making things better for ourselves. It's goofy. It's goof town. It's clown show time. Welcome everybody. Nice to see you here. Nice to have you here. And welcome all to the party. Hello, John Anderson. Good morning, Spicy Arnold. Oh man, what fun times. Gosh, what else is going on? ATIP is on fire, says life is easy. Okay. Good morning, Bega Familia. Let's make some money. I like that attitude right there, Alberto. Hawkeye is number 45, thumbs up. Good morning. Karen is number 42. Good morning, thumbs uppers. Great to see you all here. It's great to have you here. Yeah, 7.9% inflation. We did it. Yay. Everybody can relax now. Let's hold hands and sing Kumbaya together, and it'll be fabulous. Have you noticed the GameStop shares took a pop? 24.26 up to over 15. Yeah, this is great news for gamers. When inflation cools by half a percentage point to 7.7%, instead of being 40-year highs, it's 30-year highs. GameStop shares can just surge. It's all beautiful. Good luck with holding that number. It's just wild. Welcome to the party, folks. Glad you're with us. Even Tesla is up $8 a share because, with a slightly lower inflation rate, that means Tesla shares can soar to the moon. I don't think this is going to last. Let's see what happens. Initial U.S. jobless claims rose by 5,000 to 225,000 last week. So there's another bit of good news there. Does this mean the Fed is going to do a complete reversal of their interest rate policy, and they're going to completely turn around and drop interest rates back to zero and start buying U.S. bonds and making interest rates nothing, and it'll all be just like it was 2 years ago? No, I don't think so. Good morning, Malo. Good morning. Yay. Pulse Guitar, I'm 53. Yay. Inflation under 8%. Yay. Stink bits save lives. Let's go. Oh, yep. Great news. Your beans and rice won't be as expensive as you thought, says Bill. Somehow I don't feel like celebrating right now. We're going back to four, right? Inflation's on its way, right? Bruce, Tesla, going to the moon, baby. Yay. Everything's great. Everything is fixed. No problems anymore. Life has been completely solved, and every riddle of everyone's mind has been looked after. There's nothing to worry about. There's nothing to see here. It's nothing but happiness and good times. Oh, right, fantastic. Even the Treasury, the U.S. 10-year is at 3.94. It's dropped off. Yeah, it's amazing. This enjoy it while you can. Look for it. The euro is up to par. It's at $1, like 10096. It's actually over the US dollar. The British pound is up 2 cents this morning. Fantastic. Everything is fine. There's nothing to worry about. All these companies doing layoffs are going to make announcements in the next 15 minutes, and they're going to announce a reversal of all their layoffs. All those 11,000 people that lost their jobs at Facebook, they'll all be hired back this afternoon with big fat raises. And the folks who got dumped off at Twitter, they'll all be brought back with fat stock bonuses. Management made a terrible mistake. It's all going to be all right. Don't worry about the housing market. It's going to be fine. Mortgages are going back to 3% tomorrow. Everything is fine. Go and buy a house and don't worry about it. You'll find that the pound of bacon is going to go down $2 a pound starting next week. Everything is back to hunky-dory. No problem whatsoever. This is great. Oh, man, am I glad to see this? Am I glad to be on the air when the salvation of the Western world is being done while I'm on the air? Like, while I'm here, it's all happening for you. Your government has come through for you. Your Federal Reserve has come through for you. All those policies are working out for you. And there is nothing to see here. It's all good. Thank you, Rugman, for saving us and protecting us against all those bad people. Rugman, yoink, the superpower, getting them off that shag carpet cape worked beautifully. You just gotta love it. Yeah. How does it feel, Uncle Bruce, to be on the web during such a historical moment? It's kind of like the end of the Second World War. I'm the announcer. I'm able to announce to all of you that the Second World War is over and we have peace in our time. We now have peace in our time. And my hair is growing back, says Bill. This is going to be great. Don't worry, be happy. Sing Kumbaya, says Constantine. Is Tiff here? Tiff, did you see I used the thing of reference? You gave me that wink wrinkle. Germany has surrendered. Yay! I gotta go out into the town square and find a nurse I can I can plant a big kiss on. That's what I need. I got to find a nurse to give her a big. I got to ask Jen first though, or get Jen to wear one of those nurse outfits, and I can give her a big smooch. Just like they have at Times Square with the photo on Life magazine and stuff. Oh man, is it going to be great? Is it? Oh yeah, hear ye. Guy, something in my coffee this morning. Something's not right. I don't understand what it is. What's going to happen? I don't know. Are we really surging to all-time record highs on the market today, or is this going to end up being a kind of a lead balloon here after a few minutes? What's going to happen? What just happened to the market? Good morning. I love watching the markets right before these kinds of news. It's like an immediate reaction. We're definitely going to the moon. Caveat, although the ground, not the sky. I'm in the middle of a hurricane at the moment. I'll be back to you guys in a minute. I'm trying to batten down the hatches here. Amy H. Uncle Bruce has a new travel mug. Charlie, Uncle Bruce, you are being in the air during this time feels more like you're announcing the death of Elvis. Tears. Show some tears, please. Stunk puppets, Florida. What's going on? Unbelievable. Rugman has saved us all from tough times. Thank you, Rugman, for being here with us. We got this really neat looking mug with the steel, the stainless steel inside here. This is great. Thank you, Rugman, for protecting us against all those forces of evil out there. Yoink! We've ordered other stuff for ourselves, so we got all kinds of Rugman stuff coming in here. I show the Dow up 631 points on the pre-market. I don't know if this is accurate, but that's what I'm showing. It's what I heard. Let's see. Trying to stay on top of this unbelievable opening. We're up 92 on S&P, and we're up 363 on NASDAQ. So, yay! It's good times. The Federal Reserve is going to you just wait for Powell's news announcement. I'm sure he'll be in front of the microphone in 5 minutes from now, and he'll be out there saying, "I'm just kidding. I'm not going to raise rates anymore. No, we've defeated inflation. We've crushed it, and everything is fine now. There's nothing to see here. We're going to drop interest rates by 1 percentage point every month for the next 4 months. Make interest rates go back to zero. We're going to buy back all the corporate bonds out there, all those bonds that have been issued at 8, 10, 12, 15%. We're going to buy them all up. We're going to get the interest rates down to 3%. You're going to be able to get a mortgage starting next week at 2.5%, 3% anywhere you want. It's just going to be great. Congratulations, all you workers out there who got layoff notices and furlough notices. They're all canceled. You can all come back to work. The money is just flowing in here. It's going to be fabulous. Dude, I just ordered one, Uncle Bruce. Nice mug, says AZ. That mug looks pretty good. Yeah, those poor man cover calls wrote bought yesterday. They're going to look nice. I'm not saying that Uncle Bruce is Rugman, but no one has seen Uncle Bruce and Rugman in the room at the same time. Spicy, hello, Uncle Bruce. If I'm up $2,000 on my poor man cover call today, should I sell the right away? I try to buy more or wait? Stonk puppets. Will any stonk squeeze? Kids, you heard the term dead cat bounce. You might be seeing a dead cat bounce on steroids going on right now. I'm going to see how this all sort of plays out. I'm showing a 740 gain on the Dow. I'm showing a 99-point gain on S&P. Make it 104 now, and 360 on the NASDAQ. These, of course, are all futures, and this is all with the thinnest of participants. We got Tesla at 186.60, up $9. Mind you, notice how it hasn't gone back to 230, and that's funny because it was 230 like a couple of weeks ago. Why isn't this back to $230 a share? Is it because the higher it goes here, the more Musk will sell into this strength and take advantage of the people buying up the stock right now? I wonder. 4 million shares traded on Tesla. You got to wonder. Apple right now is up $5.29 to $140. It was $134.80 yesterday. I wonder if there's rollover opportunities for a limited time offer here on some of our stocks. Yeah, that's interesting, isn't it? Isn't it fascinating? It really is. GameStop, $24.97, almost $25. There could be some potential rollover opportunities for some of my viewers here. And of course, those who bought back their calls yesterday could now look at writing calls first thing this morning for as much premium as you can get your hands on. That might be a really good idea. Yes. Oh man, I feel like I'm in the movie When Harry Met Sally, and I'm faking it in the restaurant. Yes. Okay. Anyway, Biden has nothing to do with this. Oh, yes, he does. President Biden is making the market go up for you right now. The greatest president you've ever elected in that country. All those Democrats and Nancy Pelosi, you are so lucky you have these smart people running your country. Oh, look at the gains on the market in such a difficult turmoil of a world. Oh, you guys have got the best administration money can buy. Man, oh man, are you lucky you guys didn't have a red wave go through the other day, because now the blue wave can continue moving your country forward, and all Americans can start singing together and getting along with each other, and families can reunite at Thanksgiving and give each other hugs and kisses, say, I'm sorry, all about the conspiracy theories. I was wrong. Biden was right the whole time. I love you all. Let's just be together as one happy family from now on. Isn't this wonderful? Because, I mean, after all, if the market went down and it's Biden's fault, and gasoline went up and it was Biden's fault, if gasoline comes down and the markets go up, it's got to be Biden doing it, because he made it go one way. Can't he make it go another? That would stand to reason. GameStop's up 8%, erasing all of yesterday's losses. This is going to be phenomenal. Oh, Constantine ready to roll over from December 25s to Jan 27s. Uncle Bruce, maybe that. Keep your eye on the option chain. Let's see what happens. Rocket Lab is at 510 already. Wow, this is going to be fantastic. Uncle Bruce is trolling. Oh, Lordy Lou. Gosh. Yeah. I don't know, kids. I don't know. It's going to be fun. It's going to be a fun opening today. We'll see how this all works out. This ought to be just a real laugh riot. Any of you out there who wrote contracts the last couple of days, you don't have to do anything really. You can just sit tight if you want and just watch the air come out of this balloon in a real hurry. But some of you might be able to pull off the odd rollover. Some of you might be, but you better be good at it, because you not only are you buying back, but you're writing, and you better be able to write what it is you want to write, or it's not going to work. Those of you who bought back yesterday and are looking to write this morning, you got a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity here to score something. You may want to consider writing $25 GameStops, even though the stock's at 25, because it's not going to stay here. And you might want to write 24s. In the money calls for December or January, literally writing in the money calls and daring the stock to stay here. Some of you might write 23s and take the $2 book value plus premium and dare it to hold 23, because it might come back to 22.50 in the next few days. And now you're out of the money and you've made a killing on this. Get compensated for what's going on here. Keep your eye on your contracts. Those of you who have Tesla, I don't know if there's enough room to make any kind of moves at all. We're up to 185 here. It's already looking like it's coming off a bit here. 188, it did touch 190. I'm not so sure about that. Let's take a look at some other faves over here. My watch list. Let's update that. Let's take a look at some of our favorites. We've got Rocket Lab at 510. Remember, yesterday we lost 37 cents. So we were actually over 510 yesterday morning. So, it's nice to see it up 35, but we lost 37 yesterday, just so you kind of know where we're really at here. SoFi's up 23 cents to 521. You want to write some $6 calls. You might want to do that. I don't know if you got that kind of bold idea. GameStop 25.09 up 198. AMC's even up. AMC's up 32 cents combined. Yikes! What a gunk show there. Matterport is now holding a 12-cent gain to 275. 23andMe is up 20 cents to 291. Spire is up 12 cents to 136. They came up with results last night that were again improving. ATIP, no change, 64.70 here, down about a penny. SmartRent, they released tonight after the bell, if I recall. They're up 7 cents to 247. I haven't got anything on Sextera, close to 210 last night. I don't see any trades this morning. Apple's up 487, but it's under 140 again, 139.74. Goldman up 835 to 370. Cisco is up 124 to 45.15. Tesla is up $10 to 188. We've got ARC Innovations up 265. We got Microsoft up 932. Bed Bath Beyond is up 18 cents to 372. It lost 46 yesterday. It's only up 18 now. Yikes. Pfizer lost 63 yesterday. It's up 87 at the moment, 47.59. HBQ lost $1.05 yesterday. It's up 120 at the moment at $29. Carvana lost again 23 yesterday. It's up 82 now to 841. But boy, is this thing in trouble. Google lost $1.50 yesterday. It's up $4.50 now to $91.91. Amazon lost $3.84 yesterday. It's up $4.67 at the moment. So they're higher, but yeah, they're not that much higher. We don't have the mother of all rallies going on here. It's okay, but kind of thin looking. Yeah, kind of funny looking, as they say in Fargo. Can you describe those two guys? They were kind of funny looking. Oh yeah, I know the kind you're talking about. Yeah, kind of funny looking. Yeah, that one guy was kind of funny looking. 508 on Rocket Lab, up 34 cents. SoFi 520, GameStop 24.70, giving up a bit of ground already in this pre-market. Everybody, welcome to the party. JJ, I'm thinking of writing 23s. You might want to do that. Write January 2023s, December. Take in some huge gobs of premiums. Take thousands of dollars off the option market first thing this morning. I mean, thousands. Put it in your account, fold your arms, and then say, okay, go up. Go ahead. I dare you. Go up 5,000 points on the Dow. Go ahead. 7.9% inflation rate. Go ahead. Go ahead. Yeah, I dare you. I double dare you. I double secret probation dare you. There you go. Now there's stats. Yeah, there you go. Fun. Yes, let's see what's going on here. Fool of a Took is saying this is an irrational pop. I was looking for yesterday to write on. Sat on the sidelines all day. They don't call me a fool for nothing. Lesson learned, laughing out loud. Jason, woohoo, bought back 35 GameStop, $27 strikes for this Friday yesterday. Time to sell more today for next week. Giddy up and bring in cash, baby. Bring in cash. Splitter, I'm hoping to catch 25, 26s in the money on GameStop. That'd be kind of cool. Let's see. Do you think he's being sarcastic? Vilbus, I'm a sucker. Add another 100 GameStop at 21.98 yesterday. I'll be writing 2 contracts today. That's right. Yes, you will. Bringing in the dough, baby. Bringing in the dough. Let's see. What else is going on? Double secret probation. They rarely use clause in the Uncle Bruce Charter. Vilbus, a legend. Cheers to all of you. Thank you, Rugman, for saving the day today. You got to love this. DQ, Alberto, nice. Good going, everybody. We're going to have some fun here in about, I don't know, something odd minute, half an hour. Oh, it's going to be fun. It sure tastes good when inflation drops like that. Oh, you got to love it. Down goes the inflation rate. Down go interest rates. Mortgages are going to be cheap. Housing market's going to completely recover. Everybody's getting their jobs back that got laid off this week and last week. Oh, it's wonderful. Isn't it great to be in America? Isn't it beautiful? You got to love America and how it's coming together. Everybody loves everybody again. And people are putting away their guns. Don't need guns anymore. I'm not going to shoot anybody. There's nothing to shoot. No reason to shoot anybody. Put the guns away and start hugging. Lots of hugs being given to everybody and high fives and handshakes all around. And yoo-hoo! It's going to be great. Oh, I love it. I love this. I love this. Yeah. Uncle Bruce, you're getting into the Christmas spirit. Here's 102 thumbs ups for you. What a day, says National Treasure. What a day. Oh, my gosh. You got to love this. It's a beautiful thing. Thank you, everybody, for these thumbs ups. I'm amazed we haven't got 500 of them because with this market going the way it is, you'd think I'd have 500 thumbs ups right now. Everybody happy about what's going on. I got 109 thumbs ups, so still halfway to 200, which, it's a start. But would sure love to see some thumbs ups coming in here from all these happy people with this happy world in which we live, which everything is working out in our favor. Thank you, those of you throwing thumbs ups our way. I do appreciate it. Love you for all that, everybody. Look at that Taste of Downgraded. You're right. I just looked out my window. People are dancing with each other on the street. Constantly, Uncle Bruce, when you write Poor Man Covered Calls and you're writing DITM, and for some reason you get assigned, what happens? Do they sell your long call? No, they don't sell your long call. You're just short the stock now. So you're short the shares. You got the money for the stock in your account. You're short the stock. Now you buy your stock back. That's all. And you decide when to do it. Flowers for everybody, says Bobby Atkinson. What a beautiful sight, says Gowdy. Everyone's dancing with everybody. You gotta love it. You gotta love it. You gotta love it. Deep in the money, says Nazareth. There you go. Deep in happiness. We're just so happy out there today. Everything is great. 119 thumbs ups, on our way to 500 thumbs ups, because everybody loves what's going on. The markets are surging. Interest rates are going to plummet. The Fed is going to reverse their entire policy. I'm sure that Powell will call a press conference any minute now to announce a reversal of all of the tightening. Oh, it's going to be absolutely beautiful. It looks like some people have bought up some stuff on Redbubble. Way to go, guys. Like they said, looks like someone picked up a travel mug here. Congratulations. And then somebody bought something else. What did this person get? A coffee mug. Thank you. Way to go, everybody. A little royalty is coming our way for these purchases. Thank you, everybody, so very much. Congratulations on your very own Rugman drinking utensil. Yoink, we say. Yoink. It's great. It's a very colorful logo. It came in really well here on this travel mug. And it's also available on a regular coffee mug. You can now get this on your T-shirt or sweatshirt or whatever you like. Thank you all so much for your support. Way to go, Rugman. Salvaging this market. We're up 797 points in the pre-market. We got 30 minutes to go. We're up 119 on S&P. We're up 466 NASDAQ. NASDAQ is up 4.3%. That's pretty good. 4.3% bump on NASDAQ. 3% gain on S&P and a 2.4% gain on the Dow. The question I am wondering about is, during the day today, when all this sort of calms the hell down, will the markets lose us all and go red again? And will the Dow or will the NASDAQ be up 4% at one point and then down 2% later with a 6% spread in the middle? How much carnage is there going to be today once the second wave of buying doesn't show up? I kind of wonder about that. I wonder. Fun times, I'll tell you. Let's see what's going on here. A splayer 518 on Rocket Lab. It's just too high. I can't see the end of the mountain on the chart. Good morning, Bruce. You still speak Biden? Wow, isn't he great? Isn't he fantastic? The greatest president America has ever elected. I mean, just think about this. You know, the guy's he's kind of up there. You know, he's getting on and putting these policies in place to bring down your gasoline prices and now bringing down inflation single-handedly, all by himself, bringing it all in. Everyone dancing and hugging in the streets. It's just incredible, isn't it? It's amazing. Wow. Biden defeated inflation with his bare hands. What more do you want? I mean, it's right there. It's in front of all of us to see. You can't miss it. Financial Mischief. Good morning, everybody. Leon's laughing out loud. You can tell by how happy people are with how things are going, by the 500 thumbs ups that I've already got on this show. It says 126, but that's not true. The reality is everybody who's given me a thumbs up has actually given me 4 thumbs ups in spirit. See, they've given me 1 thumbs up that you see here, but they've given me a total of 4 thumbs ups in how happy they are with everything. And that really means I have 500 thumbs ups now on this show. And I thank you all for your incredible support. Is it bare hands, or is he a grizzly bear? I mean, what's this deal about? Vash, just making fun how people blame Biden for the market, but when it goes up, it's nothing to do with Biden. But now Bruce is embracing the dark Brandon destroyer of inflation market lifter. Splair, no. I make 3 or 5. When I hand out thumbs ups, I give a way more than that. Johnny, the old surfer here, is still an upward trend. The people who have to get out, man, start work here calling for people. I don't know what that means. Constantine, 126 thumbs up. Thank you, sir, for being here for us. I do the best I can. He took off his gloves and got it done. See, the president got it done. And there you are, America. You're welcome. The guy doesn't need the job, you know. He didn't need to become president. He was quite nicely retired after his last 8 years with Obama. He really had it going on. What did he need to be president for? But he came in and it saved the country. And look at that, how America is so much better today than it was before. You gotta love it, how it's really coming together. Bobby, I got the shoes off to give toes up with the thumbs up. So I'm really helping you out, man. Thank you, Splair. Or 7, then a stink bid with the thumbs. Michael Hill, too much stimulants in your coffee today, Uncle B. We're up 776 points on the Dow Jones. It's going straight to the moon. Look at that. Oh, it's going to be beautiful. We're up 114 on S&P. We're up 428 on NASDAQ. Oil is up 90 cents. It's all beautiful. It's just, oh, you couldn't ask for better anything. This is going to be fantastic. You got to love it. What are your thoughts on ATIP? I got 1,000 shares. I bought them at $10, down 80%. I hear they're going to concern. Is it worth buying more? Bring the average down? What do you think I should do? What do you think I should do? Machine, I think you've been here all along and you've been watching us all along. And I don't think that's a real question. I think you're making that up. I don't think you're being truthful. I don't think you're being truthful. Constantine, Uncle Bruce, did Alberto tell you what he did? He went to some store and turned all the computers on your channel and everyone was watching you. I haven't heard that. That's funny. That is funny. Oh man, 136 thumbs ups and counting. Oh, I appreciate that. Thank you very much. That's funny. I'm gonna send you guys out to every Best Buy out there and everywhere else and turn everything on to Uncle Bruce. That's hilarious. Thank you all so much for your support of this channel. Thank you to those of you who subscribe, those of you who become members, those of you who watch us all the time, those of you who take our classes, those of you who look me up to do a one-on-one from time to time. I appreciate it. Really do. It's great that you're here. And I'm excited. I love it when markets go up. I don't mind it so much when they go down. Charles Carver, thank you, my friend. Thank you for the PayPal donation today. I appreciate it, my friend. Beautiful stuff. I love it to see. I love it when people are making money on this channel. And something tells me, Charles, you are making money, buddy. Way to go. Nice to have you here as always. Thank you all so much for your support of this channel. 141 thumbs ups. That's almost like 700 in real life, really. I mean, you got to multiply that by 5. You have to know. It's so good. Thank you, all of you. Yeah, Mirko, I'm 141. There you go. Not all heroes wear capes. Not all heroes wear capes. Thank you all so much for your popping in here today. Rugman is to the rescue. Rugman is here for you. Don't worry about it. Rugman will save you. You got to love it. All 30 Dow stocks are higher right now because all 30 Dow stocks are going, hey, inflation is plummeting. It's come down 0.5% in over the year. This is going to reverse all the negative policies that are out there. We are going to make nothing but money now. This is absolutely fabulous. We're going to hire back all those thousands of people that we didn't hire and let go and laid off and furloughed. We're going to get them all back here. It's going to be just a good old time and everything will be fantastic. Not to worry whatsoever. Everything is going to be fantastic. European markets are all up right now. 80 points on the FTSE, 348 in Germany, 98 in France. All the markets are higher in Europe. And so this should be just coming right into the US market. We've got 23 minutes to wait, and then we can start trading too. And these markets can surge and surge. Look at the GameStop holding at 24.96. Isn't it wonderful? 258,000 shares of incredible volume have come in here to back up this price move of $1.85. Way to go, GameStop. Everybody's getting rich, rich, rich. It's wealth is being shared across all classes today. You got to love it. I mean, how can you go wrong with this? It's fantastic. We love it. Tesla's $190 a share, on its way to $250 later this afternoon. You got to love that. That's going to be super. Or is it? Let's see how it really goes. This should be fun. Never a dull moment. 514 on Rocket Lab. It's up 40 cents. So Rocket Lab has got 3 cents higher price than where it was yesterday morning, because yesterday it lost 37. It's now up 39.9. So it's at 514. We have recovered everything. Can Rocket Lab now go to $10? Please go to $10. SoFi is up 25 cents, 523. GameStop, $24.91. Still up $1.80. Matterport up 15 cents. 23andMe is up 22. Spire is up 14 to 136. ATIP is only down 1 penny at 65 cents. Smart Rent down 8 now at 232. Sextera, no changes. Unchanged on Smart Rent. We just went flat again at 240. Apple 139.84, up 497 in the pre-market. Goldman up 850. Cisco up $1.30 at 45.21. Tesla 12.64 gain to $190. Holy moly. ARC Innovation up 285. Microsoft up 927 at 233, about $5 higher than yesterday's drop off of 437. Bed Bath Beyond holding at 378. Pfizer 47.30 up 57 cents. HBQ up $1.20 to $29. Carvana up 83 cents. Google up 469. Amazon up 547. This is where we're at right now. Tesla was downgraded this morning. Brokerage firm just said that there's way too much nonsense going on at Twitter, taking Musk's attention away from where it should be. And they are dropping Tesla as a buyer, not even recommending you to buy it. The market is not paying attention. It's up to $190 a share now. And that is that, the market says. We're up $12.40. I don't know who's in a hurry to buy it at $190, but whoever's buying it is probably buying it from Elon Musk, because I think he's still selling off stock to raise cash to satisfy his bankers. That's my hunch. But what do I know? I'm just a guy watching happiness across the world taking over as the kumbaya is being sung around the campfire by everybody. We're up 772 points on the Dow, 120 on S&P, and 470 points in NASDAQ, all in the pre-market. We got a beautiful run going on that just can't be stopped. This market is just looking to go to the moon, and everybody's getting richer at the same time. You gotta love it. I mean, how can you hate that? How can you be upset with that? Fantastic. Yeah, well, we'll see what happens here. Okay, what else is going on? Joe Olivia, Alberto is a true hero. Mirko, I'm 141. Let's continue on here. Yeah, GameStop on SSR today could be a crazy day. Let's see. Dude, don't make Uncle Bruce angry. You won't like him when he's angry. Yeah. I detect a hint of sarcasm. I might not be very good at the sarcasm hinting. I kind of get it here. Spire's up 12 cents. Look at Rocket Lab, only 52 cents away from my cost basis. Oh my gosh. Well. Flint Creek Soap Company. It's okay if ATIP drops a bit more. I still need 7 covered calls back. Then it may go up to 150. I give it permission. I'm buying all those calls I wrote at 30.35 for nothing, and let it go to the moon from here, and I'll rewrite them again. Way to go, Flint Creek. Man. JJ, January 25, GameStop, $23 strike stink offer, $12. Not sure what that means. Nick, I have opened short positions for day trading? I would think so. Nick, today is a day that a short trader could have a field day on a day like today with this opening 15, 20 minutes. Flint Beach Boy, please tell me that box arrived. Please tell me that box arrived, says Flint Creek. Beach Boy, did you get your soap? Has it arrived in Israel yet? Did you get it? Did you get it? Let's hope you did. All righty. Such fun in this world in which we live, everybody. Welcome one, welcome all to the party. Great to have you all here. Everyone is singing Kumbaya around the campfire today. It's nothing but good times. And viewers are going out today. Yesterday, they're going out on my behalf, and they're going to every Best Buy store and every Walmart store, wherever there are computers, and they are linking up and putting on Uncle Bruce on the computers to let the world know that Uncle Bruce and Rugman are here for you. Yoink, a superpower to take care of you on the markets. Don't worry. Get out of the market, Rugman. Don't worry. Rugman is here to save everybody. It's all good times. Welcome one, welcome all. When is Jay Powell speaking? I'm waiting for the press conference. I've been hoping to hear about it all morning. We're just waiting to see if he's calling the press conference to reverse all interest rates back to zero. Would be nice. Constantine, Flint Creek mine arrived, and thank you. Flint Creek, sweet, good to know. Alberta should have one too. Flint Creek, sweet smelling men out there. Rock and roll, baby. We're all smelling real good like Rugman is smelling right now, and waiting for the markets to open in 16 minutes to see what kind of an opening we have and how the first hour will go. Fun times, man. Oh, it's so good. Splur, I will try the Best Buy idea as well to produce some activity here. DH Rugman is rolling out his rug this morning. Converting. I'm thumbs up 149, and that means you have between 600 to 700 actual thumbs ups, because we're now at a factor of at least 4 to 5 to 1. 150 of them are sitting here, and Vivash is putting out the knee emojis, which means, you know what, this market's going to the moon. This market's going to go where we want the market to go. All I could say to all of you folks who've helped me out already with these thumbs ups is neat emojis for you. The Knights of the Knee will make sure the markets go the direction you want, and will make the options do what you want the options to do. Nazareth is throwing up the knee emojis. Here they come. They're up there. The knee emoji attack is on. This market cannot help itself. It will do as we say it will do. You got to love this. Thank you all very much for your support. Slayer's putting up the knee emojis. Here we go. The knee emojis. Neat. Can't stop it. We're taking over the world with the knee emojis. 154 thumbs ups. That's more like 600 to 750 now. Easy thumbs ups on this show. Thank you all for helping us out and putting it together. This is good stuff. Welcome one, welcome all to the knee attack. DH Ruda's here with the knee emojis. Thank you, DH. And Splair's here. And oh, it's all good times. You gotta love it. You gotta love it. What a morning. 751-point gain on the Dow to erase the entire 600-point drop-off yesterday. Everybody forgot all about it. Here we go. Getting ready to rock and roll, man. Good times. Constantine, Uncle Bruce, I'm up on 24 poor man covered calls, and when I write, I break it in 3, writing 8 covered calls at a time with different strikes and different expiry dates. What do you think? I like it. I like that too. I don't mind that. You're good to go there. Absolutely. Financial mischief. I bought 100 shares at GameStop in the wife's IRA yesterday. Purchase price $22.35. I'll take that $3-ish gain. Thank you very much. Absolutely. Now you can write $25 or $26 calls against it for, December or January, bringing some nice money, or sell them this morning for a high price and buy them back later this afternoon or tomorrow. But I'm only missing the buzzer. That's all I'm missing here. We're 13 minutes to go before we start running. We won't have Larry Titus ringing the bells today because he's telling Uncle Joe everything we wanted to tell Joe Biden today. Thank you so much for being the greatest president ever elected in the history of the United States of America. Look at the gain of the Dow today, all attributable to Joe Biden, with the incredible reduction of inflation that is happening. That administration over there is absolutely crushing it on every level. Is it any wonder the red wave didn't happen the other day? I mean, it's obvious. The proof is right there. You can't argue with the Dow up 750 points. The market has made its opinion known. The market loves Joe Biden and the Democrats. Financial Mischief bought 100 shares, man. You got to love it. There he goes to the White House on the day Biden strangles inflation to death with his bare hands. This cannot be a coincidence. It couldn't possibly. How Larry knew something. Larry knew something. He knew something. What does Larry know? Coyote is asking. Aha, Michael's going, that's right. What is it? Is it a coincidence? A total coincidence that Larry Titus is at the White House on the very day inflation has been slain by the President of the United States, Joe Biden. Unbelievable. The Republicans are beside themselves. Bama babe. Oh my God, Uncle Bruce, you're so silly today. Not everyone agrees with me. I guess I'm alone on this. Maybe I don't know. Financial Mischief going to have to look a rollover possibility. I have December 9/25s that I sold yesterday. Maybe Coyote. Operation Larry White House was a complete success. That's right. That's right. Clandestine mission to slay inflation with the President of the United States as his ally. I hate Larry now. He didn't give us any heads ups. Well, he had to be quiet. He had to have secrets. These are top secrets. You can't be releasing this kind of information early. You got to be careful. Coyote, he would have had to kill us if he had told us. I mean, that's kind of like taking boxes of sensitive material out of the White House and taking it to your parking garage for your golf cart down in Mar-a-Lago. You can't take sensitive information out of the White House like that. Larry would never be doing anything like that, or anyone else either, right? No one would ever do a thing like that. Democrats are becoming the party of freedom, the police, family, law and order, and Wall Street. What do we need these treasonous Republicans for? The Democrats are everything good about this country. Guiding, oh, well, I love Larry now, says DQ. Michael, top men. That's who where's that box going with the what was that thing called? The crate, not the cradle. What was that thing called in that movie? Indiana Jones and the what was that thing called that they went and got in Egypt there? I can't get it. I've got a block right now, but it's with top men. Ark of the Covenant. Thank you, DQ. The Ark of the Covenant is with the top men, and Larry Titus is one of the top men. Who are these guys? They're top men. What are their names? Top men. They are the top. Wait a second, Split. We're so tiny. We're already so powerful that we have someone in the White House. Yes, we do. We have already got people in there making life better for everybody. Uncle Joe's crashing it. Nobody messes with the Bidens. DQ. The Ark of the Covenant has been worked on, and it's being handled by the top men. Larry Titus, one of the top men to help slay inflation with Joe Biden and his top men team. You got to love this, kids. Oh, look how rich you're all getting because of Joe Biden. You lucky people. Unbelievable. 24.84 on GameStop. Up $1.73 today. Oh, my gosh. The world is celebrating. Tesla, 192.78. Thank you, Joe Biden, for saving Tesla. JJ doesn't know what to do. There you go. What a run this morning. My goodness. Nothing but good times, happiness, and hugs and kisses everywhere around the world. Kumbaya is going to be sung by everybody. The Palestinians and Israelis are hugging each other. The Saudis are hugging everybody. The Russians and Ukrainians are dancing in the street. They've laid down their arms. No need to fight each other anymore. Putin and Zelensky are gonna have a picnic together with their kids. Oh, it's just going to be super. Oh, what a wonderful time! I tell you, you can't beat this. Larry the Crud Destroyer Titus, thank you for that. Zach, I was 139 to Vivesh. We have sent our special interest team into the White House led by Larry Titus. Top men. Top men. He's draining the crud out of Washington. Coyote, wow, all this amazing news. And my dad just came back from getting SIGs. It only took him 22 years, but he's still here. What a day. Zach, so who is the opposite of the Rugman? Rocketman? DQ Crudman. Crudman is the opposite of Rugman. The world loves Joe Biden. Democrats may just yet run the country a few more years. Even Russia has said they will begin talks with the USA. Uncle Joe is not playing Jack. There you go. JJ, wait for it. Joe, Uncle Bruce, we're still waiting for the first hour before we write, or are we jumping on this killer rip? Coyote, there was a line. Crudman. What are we going to do with the writing of contracts? Well, this is the thing. We're about to open in 7 minutes, and the Dow is up 815 points. The S&P's up 126. The NASDAQ up 477. It's a 4.4% gain for NASDAQ. 3.3 for S&P, and it's only a 2.5% gain for the Dow. The Dow is actually underperforming the other markets. In theory, the Dow should be up right now 1,200, 1,300 points. This could be great. 24.84 on GameStop. I kind of wonder what will the opening really look like, and can these options reflect a nice higher price? Hopefully, some of you are able to stink offer some contracts out there and get taken out at some ridiculously high premiums. That would be a nice thing to have happen. I would be looking in the first 15, 20 minutes to be writing something, because I don't know if we're going to go much over 800. Will we even trade up 800 points on the actual opening? Because this is all pre-market with very little participation, easily manipulated. I'm wondering, I don't know. What can I say? Can it hold the 800? What are we going to do? Does the Dow not understand the gravity of today's news? No, it doesn't. It apparently does not. Rugman to the rescue, everybody. Thank you all for being here today, joining me and Rugman to save the day out there. Beautiful stuff. Rugman has saved us all, and you gotta love this. Oh, it tastes so much sweeter, so much nicer when Rugman is on the prowl. Fed funds futures traders see an 81% chance of a half-point rate hike by the Fed in December after the CPI report, up from 57%. So instead of a 0.75% rate increase, we might only get a half a point rate increase. And maybe the month after that, it'll be a quarter. And then the month after that, it'll be nothing. And then the month after that, we start going down a half a point a month. And a month after that, we go down a point a month. And by summer, there'll be no interest rates. There'll be no inflation. There'll be no layoffs. And everything will be great again. You believe that, don't you? You do believe that, don't you? Don't you? Don't you? A Santa Claus rally? Contracts, good stuff. That's what I'm here for. GameStop and SoFi up. Should I write? Maybe. What is going to happen? Good morning, Olivia. Coyote Joe, Olivia, thank you. It was great. He got a bit mad when he asked me for money, and I said I didn't have any on me, but that's okay. I have no idea what's being asked of us here. Don't know what's going on. There are conversations happening above my head. We have 5 minutes to go before we start trading, kids. We got an 839-point pre-market gain on the Dow, 485 on NASDAQ. Six Flags stock price cut to 19 from 24. They'll change their minds soon, and they'll make it back to 24. Don't worry. There's no problems at Six Flags. Everything is fine. Disneyland, Disney World yesterday, don't worry about Disney. Disney will recover completely. People will go back to the park. All those folks who got laid off are getting so much money to walk away from their jobs that they won't have to work for 5 years. And so they're going to vacation it up all this year. No problems whatsoever there. Disney World is going to just rock with money. Free spending tourists from around the world are coming in. It's going to be fantastic. There's nothing to worry about anywhere. Everything is fine. All is well. Listen to our friend Kevin Bacon in the movie Animal House. All is well. All is well. There's nothing to worry about. You have nothing to fear but upside. That's all you have to worry about is how much money you're going to make. It's going to be great. Look at Walt Disney's completely recovered. It's all the way back to $89.54. Look at that. It's almost all the way back to its year high, which was $164 a share. It's well on its way back. So it's okay. It's just going to be fine. No, nothing to see here. Nothing to worry about. Everybody is going to be happy, happy, happy. And there you go. Of course, some of you might be writing contracts in the first 15 minutes of this morning. Sure would love to hear the kind of premiums you're going to get your hands on, because that's what you want. Definitely want to get your hands on some premiums. We have 164 thumbs ups here, but in reality, we probably have 4 times as many right now going on. I bet you we're at 700 thumbs ups right now, just because of the way the love is spreading around the world. Thank you all so much. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. And let's see what's going to happen here. We open in 2 minutes. Get ready. Someone's going to ring the bell on behalf of Larry Titus, because he's with the top men at the White House. Top men. The top men at the White House, making everything work for us. Thank you, Larry Titus, for keeping everybody honest. 517 on Rocket Lab, up 44 cents. Beautiful. SoFi's up a quarter to 523. GameStop 24.67, up 156. Matterport up 21. 23andMe up 25 cents. Spire's up 17 to 141. ATIP down just a penny. SmartRent up 9. Sextera, no changes yet. Apple up 6.18. Goldman up $8. Cisco up 174. Tesla up 12.50. ARK up $3. Microsoft up $10. Pfizer up 68, HPQ up $1. It's good times. We're opening here any moment now. Let's get ready to have a party and get this thing started off. You can't ask for a better environment. Everything is great. Thank you, Rugman, for saving the day. Yoink, yoink, yoink. It's all coming together, and we are ready to rock and roll. Oh, this is going to be fun. Going to be fun. Don't get Amy. Don't get me started on Disney. Uncle Bruce, my hubby works there, so we're too deep in the House of Mouse. Well, I hope everything's going to be okay over there. I really hope it's going to be all right. Well, let's see how the market wants to start. We're just about to get this going here. Miraculous. I was too eager to write yesterday. Wrote February. GameStop 25's at 410. Looks like I'm going to be in GameStop jail for a while. But then again, maybe not. JR, oh my God, people are looking at me. I was jumping up and down, trying not to pee myself, yelling, go Rugman. Taking a walk in the morning is getting dangerous for this old man. I got James. Deep in the mouse house, not Larry, Crudman Titus. Here we go. Bells are being rung. We're up and we're running. We're open for fun. We got a 900-point jump on the Dow to start the morning right now as we partially get stuff opened up. Let's see how this runs and how well it holds. This should be a good time, everybody. 23.98 on GameStop, up 84 cents. We'll see if this thing really rocks or not. We've got the Dow up 900, S&P up 130. We've got NASDAQ at 515 right now. ATIP is 66 cents, down a penny. Tesla 188.98, up 11. Apple up 6.95. GameStop $24, up 89 cents. 24.11 now, up $1 on GameStop. SoFi 525, up 27. HPQ up $1.23 to 29.03. Rocket Lab 528, up 54. Moderna 166, up 280 now, 167, 384 gain. Amazon up 686 to 93. ME 293, up 22 cents. Netflix up 12.89. Matterport up 24 cents. SmartRent up 18 cents to 258. Spire 131, up 7. Sextera up 14 cents to 224. We got Bed Bath Beyond up 15. Pfizer up 60 cents. Boeing up 409. Cisco up 148. Home Depot 12.30 gain. Vanik up $10 to 204. IBM up $2. Microsoft up 11.40. Goldman up 9.40. Google up 4.50. Adobe up $24. Meta up $5. There you go. Rollover opportunities might be available for some of you folks. but you better get both transactions done quickly. Don't be waiting around. We're up 821 on the Dow, not 950 anymore. We've got GameStop 2406 up $1. Only $1. Why is GameStop not up to 25.50? It was in the pre-market. 688,000 traded on the morning, and we're now 24.05 with a high of 24.77. We've already backed off a little here. Is this a dead cat bounce that isn't going to last more than 10 minutes? I don't know. We're watching 186 on Tesla. We're nowhere near 192. Apple 141 holding a $7 gain. Rollovers possibly here, but for a limited time offer, possibly 24.30, 24.20 on GameStop, as we are bouncing along here trying to figure out what this thing is going to do. We've got the Dow up 795. We have S&P up 130 and NASDAQ up 506 at the moment. Let's see what happens. Tesla 186. GameStop 24.32 up 120. SoFi 524 up 26, up 27 cents to 525. HPQ 28.96 up 116. Rocket Lab up 67 cents to 541. Moderna up $3. Amazon holding a $7 gain approximately, up 18 cents on ME. Matterport up 30. SmartRent up 16. Spire up 9 cents. Cyxtera up 17 at the moment. IBM up $2. Microsoft up $11. Goldman up 11. Google up 5. All right, we're watching this market to see what it's doing. 760 on the Dow. That's down 200 from the high. Couldn't reach 1,000. We've got a 132-point gain, I think, on S&P. Let me double check this. Refresh. My systems are having trouble keeping up with this. 24.39 on GameStop, up 128. Uncle Bruce, I shorted Tesla at 193. Giddy up, 186 now and falling. JR, is Larry on the lookout for Rugman? I have a feeling that when they open the ARC, that Rugman will jump out. Maybe it's a secret sanctum. Maybe. You never know. Let's see. 748 gain on the Dow, 128 on S&P, 492 on NASDAQ at the moment. 24.38 on GameStop. Those of you who didn't write calls yesterday, are you writing now? Are you writing now? You should be taking advantage of this 125 pop this morning, but it's only 125, interestingly. GameStop volume now, 5 minutes in, stalling out 767 shares on a pre-split, not even 200,000 shares. 24.36. SoFi 520. Can you write sixes for the next few months? Maybe. I don't know. 29.08 on HPQ. Can you write 30s on HPQ? Can you write 31s into January, February? Can you get some premiums there? Zach, whatever you do, Larry, don't look directly at it. Don't look at the box. Don't look in there. Top men, Nick, Rocket Lab entering orbit. Well, we hope so. It's about time. 554 up 80, writing $6 and $7 calls might be the game plan there. Who knows? Up 750 on the Dow, 2.3% at the moment. 24.20, 24.18 on GameStop. Richard wrote a 25.50 GameStop for next week, $1.33 for 25.50. Right now, he's $1.35 out of the money with a 133 premium. Nice. That is a worthless contract. DQ, Donna didn't close her eyes. Henry did, though. Deuce Caboose, I'll take a Green Day any way I can get it. What's with the negativity? Makes me want to chew on my Glock. 758-point gain on the Dow, 130 on S&P, 500 gain on NASDAQ. Oil down 28 cents, not participating in the rally at all. Interestingly, 66 cents on ATIP, holding on. 185 on Tesla. Apple 142. GameStop 24.06, up 95 cents. Let's see. Deuce is carrying heat. Coyote, keep that ting on him. Keeps that ting on him. Vilbus, my TD is running super slow, hampering my cover call writing ability. DQ, Deuce Caboose, as long as it's the grip and go ahead. 742 on the Dow now. We are slowly slumping a little more. 729 gain on the Dow. We're under 500 now on NASDAQ. 486 gain. 2406 on GameStop. We're beginning to lose a little more steam on GameStop. The high of the day, 2477. 2408 now, low of 2391 officially, as we're watching a lot of volatility come through here. A ton of a Tesla down to 184, up $6. Backing off. That's what we have going on here. Rocket Lab looks great, says Deuce. Spire had a decent earnings yesterday. Coyote, Bon Voyage, Tesla. It's 183.88 and dropping. Apple 141.20 backing off. GameStop 24.06 up 95 cents. SoFi 516, 515 on SoFi, a little lower. 29.08 on HPQ. Dow up 685, slumping again. Rocket Lab 562 up 89. Moderna up 379. Amazon up 633. ME up 18, Netflix up 970, Matterport up 29.5, SmartRent up 15, Spire up 9, Cyxtera up 19 right now. Pfizer at $47, only up 20 something cents here. Where are we? 24. Pfizer, where am I? We're at 46.96, only up 24. Boeing up 6, Cisco up $1, Home Depot up 12.80, back to 2.99. Carvana up 120, Robinhood up 48 cents, Vanik up 11, IBM up 150, Microsoft up 11, Google up, Goldman up 1020, Google up 530, Adobe holding 323 up 24, Meta up $4 at the moment. Royal Caribbean up 378 to 56.31. Puts are in play on Royal Caribbean again. Target up $6, JP Morgan up 3, Costco up 14 to 504. Unsustainable. Walmart up 157, Nvidia up 950, Disney up 130 to $88. Not much of a recovery here. American Airlines up 57 cents to $14.55 right now, but they're about to have a pilot strike. They rejected a 20% pay increase offer. This is going to be an interesting thing coming up. Never a dull moment. Yeah, what do we think about Rocket Lab 7s for April at 85 cents? Might be something to write there. Vilbus wrote a 12.16, 26.25 GameStop. I got 270 for it. Nice. 26.25. It's a 24.30 stock. This is a good one. $1.90 out of the money with a 270 premium for December. Nice. Interesting surges and moves and everything else, kids. Oh, have we got a fun morning going here. Tons of funds right now. Man, oh man. The market, the Dow back up to 728, trying to rally again. The NASDAQ 479, just under that 500 mark. The Dow now 705. We'll see how this plays out. 183.50 on Tesla, up only 595. We were 193 this morning, now only 182 on Tesla. Tesla is backing off. The pre-market was 193. In the actual market, only 190 for the high here. 182.50 on Tesla, backing off. Apple 140.99, falling back. It got up to 142.15. Now it's under 141. GameStop 24.29, backing up again. SoFi 516, HPQ up 116, 28.96. Rocket Lab high of the day was waiting for the confirmation. We're at 564 right now. We'll see what's going on here. Vilbus, I'm waiting to write my second one to see if we get a little spike at some point this morning. Coyote is wondering what's happening here. Rocket Lab 564. Can't get an update on the high of the day. We're up 91 cents at the moment. Amazon high of the day was 93.40. We're at 92.18 now. See if I can get Rocket Lab. Yeah, Rocket Lab got the 571. It's 564. at the moment. 900,000 traded so far on Rocket Lab. We might be topping out here. The market is up 679 on the Dow, back under 700 again. NASDAQ only up 431. It was up over 500. We're backing off there. Let's see what gives. 24.11 on GameStop. We're backing up again on GameStop. 511 SoFi coming back down, up 13 cents. Only 13. 556 on Rocket Lab. We're backing off over there. Excuse me. What else have we got here? Yes. Pfizer 47.10 right now. The high of the day on Pfizer 47.75. We're now at 47.10. Backing up on Pfizer. We've got Cisco up $1.07 to 44.98. Topped at 45.80. We've given up almost $1 on Pfizer so far this morning. We are now holding a 708-point gain on the Dow. We're at 448 on NASDAQ. At the moment, we are 13 minutes into the market, and we're not going higher. And we're not higher than at the highs of the day anymore. Wondering, can we hold what we have, or will we start to lose it this first hour? Is it a big dead cat bounce or what? We'll see. 180.98 on Tesla. Tesla's about to break 180 and go back into the 170s at this pace. Interesting how that one is losing a lot of steam in a hurry. That's got to affect S&P and NASDAQ with Tesla backing off like that. Apple still at 140.90, holding on to the 140 range. Will that last? 24.16 on GameStop, 24.20 on GameStop. We'll watch that. SoFi back to 5.11, holding a 13-cent gain only. Welcome to the party, pals. Fun times. 177 thumbs ups. Thank you, everybody, for the thumbs ups today already. We're on our way to 200, maybe 300, maybe 500. Who knows? 731 gain on the Dow. NASDAQ 456 at the moment. 24.11 on GameStop. We're backing off again. Another sell wave. Tesla 180.47. We're about to go under $180 on Tesla. We're only up 285 on the stock. Pre-market 193. Now 180 on Tesla. I'm hoping a few of our friends have shorted this today. We'll see how this all works out. 741 gain on the Dow. We were 950 at the height here, approximately. SoFi 513, HBQ 2902. Welcome to the party, pal. What a morning we have going on here. The inflation rate slightly lower, and the market has just gone parabolically happy. But will it last? That is the question. We have 178 thumbs ups in a happy market. We've got a lot going on here, all at the same time. 740 gain on the Dow, 460 gain on NASDAQ. The NASDAQ was over 500 on its highest point, but we've given up a bit of ground here. Let's see. They're talking about a massive surge of margin calls coming into crypto stocks and currencies that would probably affect the market because there's a lot of young folks who got caught in this mess with crypto. We'll watch for that. Rocket Lab 550 today. It's up 76 cents. It was at 570 something. It's now 547. We're giving up some ground on Rocket Lab. Still up 17 on SoFi. GameStop holding at 24.50, 24.30, trying to rally again. We'll see. Opportunity knocks to right calls. Watching for that. Salesforce Home Depot share gains lead the Dow's advance. Treasury yields sink after data showing U.S. inflation cooled in October. Lots of immediate reactions. We'll see if it lasts. We're up 740 on the Dow again. We're backing off again. Tesla at 183, a little bounce here, trying to hang on, trying to stay above 180, 183.42, up $28.80, but we're down $10 from the height of the pre-market today. Apple at 141.09, GameStop 24.40 now, SoFi 516, HPQ 106 higher at 28.86. Rocket Lab is at 541. We've given up 30 cents on Rocket Lab now, volume of 1.1 million. So Rocket Lab starts to back off here, up still 67 cents. Moderna is up only 250. Amazon at 92.97. The high was 93.43 on Amazon. We're just below the high of the day. See if we can get back up there. Up 22 cents on ME at 293. Netflix is up $7, 261 range, got as high as two something. It's not showing me. Can't see it. Won't give it to me. We're at the 268, now at 260. So Netflix has given up $8. Took a while to come through here. We're up 26 cents on Matterport. SmartRent up 13. Spire is up 8. Now it's up a dime. 134 on Spire right now. Pfizer up 54 cents to 47.26. Boeing up 5.05. Cisco up $1.06. Home Depot up $18 to 3.04. The high of the day, 3.05. It looks like we're near the high on Home Depot. The Home Depot PE multiple 18.69. The hope is that inflation has been slayed and profits will surge at Home Depot. I don't think so. I don't think so. Time for rollovers on Home Depot here. Definite opportunities to do some rollovers on Home Depot. Carvana up 155, Robinhood up 44, Vanik up 1020, IBM up 240, Microsoft up 1270, Goldman up just $2 now, Google up 120, Adobe up. What is wrong with Adobe's quote? High of 326. Waiting to see what's going on with Adobe here. I don't trust this quote all of a sudden. I'm not sure what's going on. We'll wait for a while before we react to anything else. Never a dull moment, everyone. Let's see what's going on. $24.99 on GameStop right now. 778 gain. Weekly U.S. initial jobless claims rise by 7,000. Corrected number, says Bulletin here. 779 gain on the Dow, 509 gain on NASDAQ. So a bit of a pop here just came through. Pfizer and biotech booster of bivalent COVID vaccine recommended for use in EU for 5 to 11-year-olds. That headline just came through. $24.99 up 188 on GameStop. Opportunity to write calls has come back in. Maybe rollover opportunities are coming. I don't know, but we're watching for that. We don't mind one bit. Tesla 186.83 trying to come on again. Apple at 142. GameStop 25.09. SoFi 519. HBQ 28.94 up 114. Rocket Lab at 560. We have a lot of activity going on here, folks, tons of it, and we're trying to stay up on all of this information. All right, Wing Commander, I finally made it. I'm around 170, 180 on the thumbs up meter. Zach, GameStop, 2 December 25 strikes sold for $229. Nazareth, this stock is pushing $25. JJ wrote SoFi March 6 and 7 calls filled at 58 and 35 cents. Deuce Caboose. How is NASDAQ beating SoFi? Deuce scratches his head. Zach and another for $249, Mr. Man. Telephone call for Rugman to the front desk, Mr. Man, Mr. Man. Congratulations, Rugman followers. Way to go, trying to make money in this market. 25.10 on GameStop. 25.55, I think, on GameStop, although I think my quote might be wrong again. My phone is going glitchy, stupid right now. I have no idea what to make of it. I'm having a tough time with my phone's systems here. Looking now, 792 gain on the Dow. GameStop 25.18 up 207. Okay, that's more accurate. 25.18. Keep writing, keep writing, keep writing, keep writing. Take in the cash, take in the cash, take in the cash. They are handing it to you on the floor. If you're able to do rollovers, great. If you haven't written right now, right. Up 792 on the Dow. We're up 144 on S&P, 533 on NASDAQ. We're back to the highs, but not higher than the highs. And the Dow did not hit 900 again. Interesting. Let's see. Oscar thinks the market's oversold. DQ, call for Abe Froman, Sausage King of Chicago. Vilbus just sold a GameStop 1216.25 for $370. Nice. Splair Matterport is going crazy as well. We love it. We love it when our stocks go crazy. It's better they go crazy higher. We can deal with that. No problem. 25.18 on GameStop. The high of the day today on GameStop might be right here, 25.28. We're at 25.21. This is the high of the day on GameStop shares. We got the Dow up just 703, though. We might be backing off a little here. We'll see what this looks like. We got stuff going on, kids. Lots of stuff going on. Watching a ton of swings here. 792 on the Dow, 703 on the Dow. Who do I trust? Two different quotes. I'm even getting my iPad refreshed, and it won't refresh beyond 703. Come on, market. I don't know. Don't know who to believe. Wild. 25.15, 25.18 on GameStop right now. Rugman to the rescue. Hope you can save my throat today. My voice is going here. Uncle Bruce, no stress, says Splair. My first trade was actually as well not working through the app. I had then quickly to change into the website. Good that I was prepared with spreadsheets of December 16 and 20th, January of GameStop calls. Nazareth just sold 33 GameStop Jan 20s for $480. There you go, taking in some cash. Nice gobs of money. Interesting. I'm wondering what are those Jan 20s or something higher? Nazareth Paul's already sold GameStop December 16.25 strike yesterday. I guess this is where I fold my arms and let this thing decay. Nazareth 25s, Bruce. Yeah, I wrote 25s for $480. Nice. Sorry, no problem. Deuce, SoFi needs to break through 530, keep bouncing off of it. SoFi 524 now. GameStop $25 even. We are a little off from the high on GameStop. We reached 25.28. We're 24.75 right now. The Dow is holding a 741 move, up move. We're at 529 gain on NASDAQ. Tesla 187, trying to come back to the highs of the day. Another short opportunity is presenting itself. Zach is saying the Nazareth, way to go. Deuce, got to run. Taxes suck. Hang in there. We're having fun today. Cool bean stuff. I love it. Waiting on the markets to update and constantly keep us posted. We're watching all kinds of silliness on the apps right now. Even my phone app is not working well. 770-point gain, I think, is what the Dow is giving us. GameStop 24.86. We're down from 25.28 just 10 minutes ago. GameStop has taken a drop here of 45 odd cents. SoFi 526 at the moment. Tesla 188 right now. Let's go. Deuce Caboose. I am number 183 for you, Bruce, on the thumbs ups meter. Thank you guys. We have 185 of them here. They're coming in. Thank you all for these thumbs ups. That is helping the channel today. 799 gain, I think, on the Dow. I think. GameStop 24.86, up 175. Watching, let's see if we can refresh that. 755 gain on the Dow now. Is that accurate? 24.79 on GameStop. Are we up 800 points on the Dow or up 750? I don't know. It's jumping around like a crazy right now. Yeah, 808 is the gain on the Dow. The high today, 900 something. We'll see if this gets anywhere near it. NASDAQ up 559. What is happening out there? 24.72 on GameStop, up 160. 24.70 on GameStop, up 159. GameStop backing up a little more now, 58 cents from the high. SoFi 527, HBQ 28.89, up 109. Waiting to see what this market shows us. Lots of crazy volatility. GameStop is having a crazy, strange spike in the mountain. Looks unusual to me. I hear what you're saying. 24.71 on GameStop, down from 25.28 just 10 minutes ago. Gaining 800 on the Dow, I think. 559 on NASDAQ, it would appear. Waiting for further updates and refresh quotes. 24.60 on GameStop, backing off again on GameStop. 526 on SoFi. Hopefully, a bunch of you are getting real high offers. Stake offers are coming in for your option rights on your stocks. Are you writing 29 and 30 HBQs? Are you able to write heavy premiums on GameStop? Can you get heavy premiums on other stocks you're writing on? Keep me posted. Bring in cash. A Rocket Lab trying another push, says Splair. We'll find out about that. Where are we at right now? Can't get my computer to work properly. 563 on Rocket Lab. High was 571 today. 1.5 million traded over there. 527 on SoFi. The high today, 532. GameStop, 24.67 to 70 range right now. High of 25.28. Apple 142.78, Tesla 187.95. The Dow up 830, NASDAQ up 569. I think watching a lot of activity here, a ton of this stuff. And no press conference called by Powell to talk to us about the reversal of interest rates. It's total silence over there. Wonder why he hasn't called a press conference. You'd wonder, with all this euphoria, you'd have a press conference to talk about the reversal of this interest rate policy. It's not happening today. Wonder why that is. I'm going to have to ask Rugman what's going on here. Maybe he's saying, yoink, no press conference. Yoink, I don't know. 845 gain on the Dow. The markets are euphoric. Why wouldn't Powell go and speak right now? Kind of strange, isn't it? Oil down 24 cents. Why is oil not up $5 a barrel? Why isn't oil up $5 a barrel with all this euphoria in the market? We're now 30 minutes into this euphoria. Why isn't oil participating? Very strange developments here. 24.76, 24.74 on GameStop. Not going to $28 a share. Why not? Why aren't we going back to 28? We were just there last week. We were at $34 last Monday. Why isn't GameStop going higher than $25? Very strange. And Jennifer is in the house. How you doing, Jen?
Time got away from me.
Look at that, baby.
Hey.
Look at that. Rugman. Oh, people are loving this Rugman logo.
Right?
You got to love this stuff. So much fun here.
And how's it sippability? Does it feel good?
It feels great. That's right. That's right.
Sippability rating.
That's true.
Another night.
They're busy trying to bury Mr. Inflation's corpse. Jay Powell hasn't called a press conference yet. Zach, I think you mean misinformation. Matthew, what a morning. Did rollovers on my covered calls and sold my extra deep in the money call. Giddy up. We're up 900 points on the Dow right now. Oh, yeah.
We were going to have this spring back.
We got this little spring because
you heard it here first.
The inflation report came out this morning.
Oh, did it? Oh,
yes.
See, I wasn't even counting on
that. America's inflation rate went from 8.2% to 7.7% for September, which, of course, means that, with that kind of a reversal of inflation, that Mr. Powell, chairman of the Fed, will call a press conference at any minute.
And say,
will tell us we're going to reverse all the increases of inflation. We're going to drop the interest rates back to 2%. And then we're waiting now for Mark Zuckerberg to call an announcement and all the other companies that have announced layoffs to reverse all layoffs, to hire people back. And mortgage rates are going to go down to 3%. And Musk with Twitter is going to hire everybody back.
We didn't mean to.
We're kidding. We kid.
We found out you're important.
You're important. We're going to bring you all back. It's all good. We're all going to be fantastic.
It is so dark in here. You've got the boards covering.
That's true. I do have the boards covering because all the sun that was glaring off the stuff. There was other stuff.
And then the other stuff.
And there's even more stuff.
No, not that thing. The other thing.
But the other thing, not that thing. The other thing. Don't forget the other thing. Yes. Oh, so much fun. So much fun. So much fun. Coyote's going, oops. Yes, we've got, I'm not sure what we have for the markets. My machines are having trouble keeping up. We
Why is
see
that?
one quote machine will say we're up 700 points. The next quote machine will say, no, you're up 900 points. And we go back and forth,
Maybe
and we
it's time
can't.
you turn things off.
Wow,
Like a
there's always the reboots. I've tried a few here and there, but
You know,
I
they're
think we're up
fast.
936 on the Dow, but I can't be 100% sure. It's goofy because my Yahoo Finance says we're only up 770 points. It's wild. Let me take a look at CNBC online here. CNBC. What are they showing the Dow doing here? The Dow up 946. There you go. And S&P's up 163. NASDAQ up 610 now. Highs of the day. The VIX is down 266. The market is euphoric. The investors are euphoric. They're convinced that this is the big time turnaround that we've been looking for, and it's all going to be great. Yuck was going to say, I don't know. I don't think so. A headline: crypto billionaire Sam Bankman-Fried blames himself for FTX's collapse. Admits he effed up. Well, that's awful nice. I'll give everybody $100,000 to make up for it, and no one will be mad at you. It'll be fun. It's all forgiven. We will forgive and forget.
He stood up and
he stood up and said it.
Took it.
Sure. Why not?
You got to give him that.
Deep value, 944 gain on the Dow. Oscar Voss, all green, all green. There you go.
Most of them find some underling to point the finger.
That's true. Usually
they pushed the wrong button.
That's true. That's true. There were a lot of underlings who were blamed for the Ukrainian fiasco under the last administration. It was all those White House employees that screwed it all up.
Yeah.
It wasn't Orange Boy. He didn't do anything wrong. It wasn't Orange Boy. There you go. Interesting. We're up 940 on the Dow. It's true. 2483 on GameStop, though. We can't seem to get over 25 again. We got to 25.28 on GameStop, and now we're stuck at 24.79. But a lot of folks have written GameStop calls today and brought in some serious premiums.
Good.
Very nicely
Hopefully
done.
People flattened yesterday and waited to see what would happen. And so
some did. Some wrote right away. Some rolled over this morning. So they're doing good. Coyote says, "My bad, bro." There's the Orange Boy. Oh my God! Laugh out loud. Orange Boy. That's right. Orange Boy and his pals. So many of which are in prison right now. It's amazing. 915 point gain on the Dow, 582 on NASDAQ. Hey, happy times. It's all good. We're sitting around the campfire singing Kumbaya this morning.
Absolutely.
Inflation has come down 0.5 percentage point. That means it's all over. We have slayed the dragon.
So
there's no way. There's no chance that inflation could go back up again. Because now that it's dropped 0.5 point, it's forever going to go lower. And everything will be back to normal. Just talk to all those Facebook employees, all 11,000 of them that just lost their jobs. They're all going to be hired back.
Absolutely.
With raises. Oh,
Christmas
Zuckerberg
bonuses.
knows. Yeah, Zuckerberg knows he blew it. He's going to bring those people back because, laying them off in the first week of November, just before Christmas, was the wrong thing to do. He's going to reverse that, and everyone's going to be happy now. Yeah. The Dow's up 889. Yeah, it's all good times. All good times. Ooh-wee. Tesla 185. We might be backing up a little. I don't know what's going on here. I don't know. I don't know what's happening. It's goofy. It's goofy out there.
Yeah.
Anyway, I'm doing the best I can. The Tangerine Dream, says Michael. The Tang Tyrant, says Zach. The Tang Tyrant. There you go. TT. Or OB, Orange Boy. OB.
No, TT is 2 a T.
OBTT. Oh my gosh. I don't know. We might be backing off here on the Dow again. It's hard to say because I've got 3 different numbers all over the place. But CNBC says it's now up 889 instead of 900 something. 884 over there. Well, we'll find out. 24.79 on GameStop. Again, backing up a little more yet again on the GameStop shares. 531 on SoFi. Broke 530. Can it hold? We're up 33 cents. we've had a good day on Rocket Lab. We're up 89 cents to 562. We got up to 571 today.
Nice.
Rocket Lab high of the day, on 1.8 million. Had good results yesterday financially. We're happy about that. And Spire up 17 cents to 141. We're happy about that. We're up 51 cents on CYXT. Has anyone noticed that today? CYXT 261. The low yesterday 207. Now 261 on CYXT. There's a buy wave in there. That's kind of interesting.
Somebody's thinking
Something's going on. Yeah, Pfizer's up 81 cents, Boeing up $7, Cisco up 87, Home Depot up $22. We got Vanik up $12, IBM up 280, Microsoft up $14, Goldman up 10. It looks like. So we got some green going for sure. But when you have an 851 point up day, you should have green.
You should.
You really should have some green going on.
You're wearing green, so.
I'm wearing green. You see? There it is right there.
It's your doing.
And look at that. We have 196 thumbs ups now.
Nice.
You know that today, because of the market, that every thumbs ups I get is actually factored by 4.
Oh,
so
excellent.
right now I'm
Excellent.
approaching 800 thumbs ups
That's
because
good
of my
to know.
viewers. That's what's really going on. Yes, because the votes count 4 times as much on a day like today than they would
Right.
normally count. I'm just using simple Republican mathematics. I don't know about you guys. I'm just
Simple.
going with everybody else.
Just the
you know.
basics here, nothing to see.
I don't know. Buying is drying out, says Nazareth. Might turn over here, but who knows with this market. We're 38 minutes into the market. We're up 870. We're up 840. I don't know. We'll see. We'll find out. Anyway, Oscar says, I think the loser's already sold for tax purposes. Now the earnings in the sell next year in the end. Constantino Bruce, I wrote right at the opening before the stock went up to 25. I'm talking about GameStop. I'm in the red now. Should I roll to a new strike with higher premiums or cross my arms? Just cross your arms. Just don't do anything. You're gonna be fine. Gary, new statement from Zuckerberg. I'd like to make a personal plea to our crew. Please return to work as soon as possible. Come back to work for us. We're sorry. There's much cleaning to be done. There you go. Hugs waiting for everybody. There you go. Alex, 195 thumbs ups. Good night. Good afternoon, everybody. My arms are folded, and I've got my dad is not impressed by your antics face on. Oh, that's this one. That's this one. That's this one. That's what that is. Rugman to the rescue is Alex. Rugman to the rescue. Yoink, 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 yoink.
So good.
It's all good. Zach, DQ, you are right. I don't want my sandwich to taste sour in the future. I apologize to Tang. Michael, I know you don't like the pennies, but I wrote December 16th. SoFi 6s for 20 cents each. December 16th. Oh, my goodness. 537 on SoFi. Some of you might write 6s into January, February. You might. HPQ up 137 to 29.17. Improvements there. 189 on Tesla. ATIP holding 65. The Dow up 888. GameStop went 24.88. Trying, but not trying, not much here. Alex, yeah, exactly. Because I need to invest in some glasses so I can glare over them. I gotta.
Get those little halfers.
Got to get those halfers. Get those little halfers. Those are deadly. Oh yeah, they're deadly.
Yeah. Well, we don't mind people making pennies. We just don't like them making pennies when dollars are available.
That's right. When there's dollars available, you want to make dollars. But
Same.
You know,
it's the same.
it
risk.
is.
Go for $1.
it is what it is. You know, what can I say? Yeah, you know, we're watching it. People are making dollars. So, Jen, what should I have today? It's Thursday. Oh, you know what I could do today?
Oh, what did you do today?
I've been phlegmy all morning, so I need
Yeah.
some horseradish
Oh, you need some horseradish. Get in
mayo,
there.
horseradish mayo to get me going.
Okay.
So why don't we?
So not
have-
only can they hear you chew, there'll be a lot of nose blowing.
Yeah,
There you go.
that just gets the ratings up, and the thumbs ups come streaming in. I mean, streaming in when that's going
That's the
on.
sound of the people pulling the pods out of their ears.
We got 200 thumbs ups right now. By the way, this is awesome.
Excellent.
That's like 800 thumbs ups under Orange Boys mathematics. This is good stuff. Thank you all so much, Uncle Bruce. I have 12 GameStop. Shall we write now or wait? Do you mean deep in the money calls? Is that I'm assuming 24.92. Look, if the stock wants to get to 25, look at writing 24.98. Take advantage of these little waves and see if you can score some real fat premiums. I mean dollars, not pennies, dollars. Look at December, January calls and bring in some serious money out of the money calls and build it up. Absolutely. Matthew, 199 thumbs up. I've been hitting the thumbs up on my phone and laptop. I don't see Jay Powell pushing people out of the way, running to the microphone. No, I don't see this happening. This market is so volatile, says Coyote Mando. I'm late, but I'm proud to be number 200, Bruce. Thank you so much. Zach, new personal best achieved today, Uncle Bruce. Between 2 GameStop and 2 SoFi calls, I brought in just over $500 today.
That's awesome.
The learning is real. The classes are real. The Bagel family is most excellent.
Making
Thank
a
you.
personal best.
This is how it works, babies. People start there, they put their toe in the water, and they try the right
Absolutely.
options, and they bring in $100,
Find your
they bring in
comfort
$150, $50, and then they have their first breakout day, $500 of premium money coming into the house. Thank you very much.
Nice.
Then you hit the 750 day, then you'll hit $1,000 day, and it just keeps growing and growing and growing. Take the money from the suckers on the casino
Start
floor.
writing 10 and
Yeah.
a few months later you can write 20 or 30.
So I'm thinking roast beef and ham with
Roast beef and ham.
Yeah,
Okay.
and then with the mayo, good
horseradish?
amount of horseradish mayo
Okay.
on a nice
You wanna
crispy
cry.
bagel,
Okay.
and that'll
I
get
got
me crying and
I got it.
crying and dying,
I want to cry.
flowing and going.
I want to go. Yoink.
Yoink! That'll get me yoinking right there, dude. Okay, I rolled my 12, 16, 25s to February 17th, 2750s. Brought in a buck over my buybacks. Am I doing this right? This is pretty good. You're moving up 250 in strike. That's 250 a contract. $1 in cash. It's 350 a contract. More to you. This stock wants to go up here. It's 25.28. You're out of the money on these 2750s. Perfect. I love it. Nice going. Coyote Zach, my dude. Coyote, a bag secured. Zach, Coyote, you're a big part of this too. Option Snake. Trucker Tech just rolled 13 GameStop strike, 25s, Jan 20s, 465. Take me out at 29.65. I dare you. I'm up here. Yeah, man. Nice going. Nice going indeed. 25.28, 25.29. The Dow is up 809 only. We're not going anywhere. 189 on Tesla. We might be topping out again. Apple 143. This might be the top again. 25.14. We just dropped 20 cents on GameStop. SoFi 537 up 39 cents. Some of you might want to write 6s or 7s. 750s. I don't know, to bring in some money on SoFi. Maybe you may want to do that. HPQ 29.14 up 134. Rocket Lab 559. We're backing off. Moderna 165. We're up 244. Amazon up 870 to 94.88. We got ME up 32. We got Netflix up $14. We got Matterport up 46 cents to 309. Smart Rent up 19 cents. They come out with the results tonight. Smart Rent 258 up 18.5. Spire up 18.5 to 142.5. Cyxtera up 45 cents to 255. Very good. Pfizer's up 81 cents. Boeing up 650. Cisco up 81. Home Depot up 24. Carvana up 190. Don't know why. Robinhood up 88. Vanik up 11.92. IBM up 255. Microsoft up 14.49. Goldman $8.80 gain. Google up 630. Adobe up 24. Meta up 630 right at the moment. 790 point gain on the Dow. 580 point gain on NASDAQ. We've topped out now a couple of times around here, and we might be topping out a little. How will this play? Very interesting. 25.09 on GameStop. We got to 25.34. Some folks here wrote some calls at these highs. Nicely done, everybody. Let's see how it plays out. Good times, good times, good times. Oh, my. We got all kinds of stuff going on here. We shall see how this market plays it. Slayer, I think I'll get to 505 on my second call for January 20th on GameStop with a $25 strike. The first one I had written today was filled at 4:30. instead of 420. Nice going. Matthew, there's just a press release saying inflation report leaves Fed on track for a 0.5 point increase in December. Zach, Spirited, this is the sweetest when they give you a little extra. It's even nicer. We're up at 813 gain on the Dow, it would appear. Refreshing everything here as best we can. 25.14, 25.15 on GameStop. S&P up 149, NASDAQ up 569. NASDAQ is up 5.5% today. We're up 4% on S&P 500, and we're up 2.5% on the Dow. The Dow should be 1,700 points higher if it were to match NASDAQ, but it's not. It's not. The big money is not following the aggressive money. That's a tell. That's a tell. That is a little sign that if the Dow is not following NASDAQ by half, it isn't in the party. It's outside the party, listening to the party, but not inside there. Doesn't like what's going on. Interesting. Very interesting things going on here. We will watch and follow. We're up 1/10 of a penny on ATIP. Tesla 187.91. Apple 143. GameStop 25.16, 25.21. SoFi 532. SoFi got up to 540. The volume 23 million. It got up there. Those of you writing options on SoFi, you may have pulled in some money today. HPQ 29.16. You can write 30s, 31s, 32s. Look for these out into January, February. Rocket Lab 564 up 90. Moderna 166.05, only up 280. Amazon 94.43. High today, 95.40. Giving up $1. We'll watch that, of course. Of course. Let's see what else we got here. Pfizer at 47.50. We got as high as 47.75. Haven't been able to reach a newer high yet, but we're there. In the hood, up 79 cents. Boeing up 5.98. Cisco 44.73. The high today 45.81. We have not been near the opening salvo at all. Cisco is giving up ground from its opening high of the day. It cannot seem to get back there. The Home Depot on a one-way track. It started at 297, got up to 313. It's 312. A little overpriced at 19 times earnings. A little overpriced. Carvana 986 up 220. That can't hold. Robinhood up 85 cents. 920. That's not going to hold. Vandic Vector's got up to 206.79. 205.96 right now. IBM is at 140, got up to 140 something, 140.50, now at 140.18, interestingly. The Microsoft 239 right now, high of the day, 240.29, 10, 15 minutes ago. May have topped out here. We'll see how this plays this market plays from here. We're now 40 minutes into the market, aren't we? Yeah, 50 minutes. We're at 8:19. Started at 7:30, so that's 50 minutes into the market, and the Dow's up at 813 point gain at the moment. That's the gain on the Dow. We've been up 900 plus. The high 33,465. We're at 33,317. We've been 150 points higher than this. 950. We're now at 803. Okay, that's what I'm desperately trying to tell you. We're up 803 on the Dow. Will we start to back off from here? It wouldn't surprise me. The Dow is up that level, 803. The S&P up 150. NASDAQ up 573. Oil down 46 cents is what we have going up right now. Let's see here. GameStop high of the day, 25.49. That's right. We're at the high of the day on GameStop, which means premiums are coming in even better. GameStop stinker just hit Jan 26.25. I got $4.50 for it. That is beautiful. That is $30.75 for your stock with your premium factored in. Nice. 25.57. Take the money. Take this money. 2.49 million traded on GameStop. barely 600,000 pre-split. We got nothing going on volume. This is unsustainable. 25.55. The high of the day looks like we're around this level now for GameStop. Yep, 25.59. The high of the day right now on GameStop. The Dow at 827, 2.5% gain. Okay, everybody, having fun or what? People bringing in cash. Taking the money. Wants to go past 26, 27, we'll talk rollovers. But right now, we're crossing our arms. If we haven't written, we're writing for more. We are writing for more. SoFi, 539 a moment ago. We'll see if that can hold. The Dow, I don't know if it's actually doing what it shows on my phone. I don't believe it. Looking at CNBC, we're holding an 855 gain right now. Here it is.
Hear me now, believe me later.
Hear me now and believe me later. That's right. I'm here to pump you up. That's right, kids.
Zoing.
Thank you. Yoink, yoink, yoink. Thank you, Jen. 855 gain on the Dow is where we're at. SoFi, 540. GameStop, 2566, 2568 on GameStop. Trying to run at 26. It's been all day. I'm happy to see it. I'm happy to see your accounts just getting more valuable. Your deep in the money contracts getting more valuable. And you can do rollovers if necessary. This is not a problem. Cheers, everybody. Oh, my gosh. We're going to have ourselves a lovely little bagel here with roast beef, ham, mayo, horseradish mayonnaise on here that is just going to guarantee create tears of joy. Oh, my. We're going to love this. Thank you, everybody. Buy 'em, says Splair. Filled at 505. Way to go, Splair. JJRCL, about 57.50. Time to buy puts. Yes, indeed. Cheers, everybody. Here we go. Oh, yeah. Here we go. Giddy up. GameStop, 25.69. High of the day, 25.70. That was the high today. 25.50 right now. 5.30 on SoFi. Right options, kids. Take the money. Take the money. They're handing it to you. Watching a lot of activity here. Let's see how it goes. Shoot the glass. Shoot the glass. Senior E, Uncle Bruce, I want to try a poor mind cover call on HPQ 20s for January 2024 at 10.15 to 10.60. What do you think? We'll write January 2023 27s for 3 to 3.5. Okay. HPQ is trading at 29.23. These calls, these 20s are worth 9.23 approximately. So you can pay about $1 more for them, like 10.23 range. So they're in that neighborhood there. You can get them at 10.15, 10.20, 10.25. Pick them up and write these calls. You can get them for 3.45. You can write off calls at 3.45. I like that. Mind you, now those are 27s, and we're in the money now, 2.20 on those. Premium isn't so high. On the other hand, the cash in your hand at 3.45 against the 10.25 purchase on a call. Yeah, that is a pretty good move. And if the shares back off to $28, $1.20 lower, those calls will be $1+ lower. And of course, there's premium available to be written off. Take a look at those. Take a look at Jan 28s. Maybe that might be another move to make, a little closer to the money. You're scheming. This is good. Okay, Bruce, I got to roll. I got to roll my Metas 92s. 1,500 to buy back. Should I write a March 17, 2023 for 100 for 1,800, or is that too far out? Meta. Let me take a look at Meta. Meta 107 is the stock price right now at 565. I like this move. I like this move. Grab the 92s because you're just paying book value for them. Write those 100s for 1,800. You're taking $108 a share if you get taken out. If you can write even higher strike, would be even better. It is close to 1,500 as possible, but I like the idea you're adding 300 to your arsenal of cash. I don't mind that. The possibility is Meta could back off to $100 in the next couple of weeks. You're at the money then. And they won't be $18. They'll be way lower. So, right on. Okay. Roll it up and move up $8 in strike. Definitely. Definitely move up. Yeah. Dang, while I was out yelling and dancing, missed an opportunity in the market. Need to learn how to use my phone better. Lesson learned, says JR. We're right now holding an 869 gain, I think, on the Dow. I'm going to double check this. 868 looks like roughly 864 gain on the Dow. Nasdaq at 583. And we've got Tesla 188, Apple 143.30, GameStop 25.58. The high of the day for GameStop today, GameStop 25.56 now. The high was 25.70. So GameStop is off 15 cents off its high of the day. It's had successive runs up, and you guys are getting options off for major money. And I want to hear that, see that. Way to go. Okay, Alex, I bought 50 GameStop to complete a 100 share batch. Wrote a GameStop 27.50 expiring February 23rd for $475. Nice. Mr. Premium of the option LCID stinker just hit March 14 strike, got 130 for it. Giddy up, baby. Taking option money off the table from the suckers on the floor. Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah. Okay. Okay. GameStop is in an ascending channel. This is a bearish, but when it breaks, no idea. Alex, figured it was worth buying the shares at this price in order to get a nice premium on the right and still lower your cost average. It's a good move. Definitely a good move. Absolutely. Mm. 25.36 on GameStop, down 34 cents from the high. We're getting some real gyrations now on this. SoFi 536, HPQ 29.16. Right on. Dow up 852. Well done, everybody. Well done. Way to go. 842 gain on the Dow, 150 on S&P, 578 on NASDAQ. Very interesting day, to say the very, very least. What a run we're watching here. Unreal run. Interest rates are off. The 10-year Treasury was as high as 4.1 this morning. It's 3.84 at the moment. The UK 3.86. A real drop there too. This won't last. Futures currency 101 for the euro, 101.6, and the pound 116. The pound is up 3+ cents today, and that is unsustainable. European markets are up 1% in the UK, 3% in Germany right now, on a very strong run here. Again, don't think that's going to last. The Dow up 838, S&P up 150, and the Nasdaq is up 558, 5.4% versus 2.5% for the Dow. The Dow is not even half Nasdaq. It is lagging, and that is a telltale sign that this market doesn't feel across the board this happy feeling. Reality is about to set in. It's a question of whether it's as the morning wears on or whether it's as the week wears on, but we'll watch for it. No dull moment around here. Okay. Let's see what else we got here. Alex says, I noticed it's a lot easier to roll on GameStop than HPQ, presumably because the premiums are more generous, more activity perhaps. You may want to concentrate on December 16 calls, November 18, the third Friday of every month for HPQ as well. Mirko looks like a bear market rally. Deuce caboose. Mirko, you can call it a unicorn market rally. I'll take it. Nazareth, GameStop needs buyers now or it drops below 25. Unibear says Zach. That's what we got going here. GameStop 25.13 as we're backing up here from the 25.70 high this morning. And we'll see how this plays out. Okay, second half of the bagel. Here we go. Sesame seeds are so good. They get roasted in the toaster just right. Good. Oh my. Now up 830. A little slippage coming in here, just a little. Watching for this. GameStop 25.06, 25.10. A little more slippage in GameStop right now. Okay. Tesla hit a high of 190 earlier today. It's now 187. The Dow up 823 right now. 823 on the Dow. A little more slippage, just the tiniest little bit. 25.05 to 25.10 on GameStop. So good. Coyote's right. Tesla hit 193 in the pre-market today. That's right. Tesla now 186.85. Apple 143.13, giving up a bit of ground. GameStop 25.04. SoFi 5.34. Okay. Dow's getting kind of quiet here. 827, 824. It's holding, but will that give up some ground now? GameStop under 25. 24.87. Dow's up 809. We're backing off. 186 on Tesla now. 142 on Apple. Going lower. $24.86 on GameStop. $7.95 on the Dow. We're backing up. 24.71 on GameStop. Tesla 185. Rugman to the rescue. 792. The Dow gain. Interesting patterns here. Lots of activity here. 185.85 on Tesla right now. Fascinating. $24.78 on GameStop. High of the day, $25.70. Now $24.78. We're up and off 90 cents from the high. All in 30 minutes on GameStop. It's backing off. Some of you wrote these calls at really nice prices. And down comes the stock here. Hello, Smith. I just wrote GameStop second for $2.15 at 26. After I bought him back for 50 cents. Not a bad week. Splair, great day. I flipped 48 into 84 on Rocket Lab with average and Matterport. I flipped 21.60 to 33.40. Splair's making money. Zach is saying, give me an OINK. What does that spell? Oh, oink or zoink? Oh my! 778 gain on the Dow. Coming back off. 24.71 on the GameStop. 530 on SoFi. 528 on SoFi. We're backing up again on some of these stocks. HBQ 28.97 under 29. Rocket Lab 545 dropping back here from 571. Definitely coming off. Let's see. Moderna up only 180. Amazon is backing off. It got as high as Amazon got as high as 95.40, and it's backing off right now. Under 90, around the 94 range. ME up 29. Netflix up 10. Spire holding 12 cents now. Got a lot going on here. A lot happening simultaneously. The Dow is up 792. A little better. Maybe a computer program going in here. GameStop though 24.63. It's backing off again. 24.62 on GameStop. We're running into some selling here. Down more than $1 from the high. Volume 3 million, so that's 750,000 pre-split. Backing up now to 24.64 from 25.70. That is a reversal at the moment. All right. Thank you all. Thank you all for being around. Tesla 186.30, Apple 142.90, GameStop 24.60. Looks like we're going below 24.60 here. Possibly. 532 on SoFi. The Dow holding an 800-point gain. It would appear 802 right now with the NASDAQ up 535. We're 1 hour, 10 minutes into the session right now. $24.56 on GameStop. We've broken under 24.60. 24.56 on GameStop. Going a little lower now. 24.55. Alex, I'm already wondering if we're going to be treated to one of those wonderful Ruby Red Fridays. So how's this going to play tomorrow? Tomorrow is option expiry day. Who wants to be long this weekend? Wow. Yeah, 24.58 24.56 on GameStop. The Dow holding 800 points. Tesla 186.60. Apple 143.06. GameStop 24.56 to 60 right now. SoFi 532. HBQ back to 29.05. Rocket Lab 551. Amazon at 94.85. We've got Netflix holding 11.80 gain. Spire up 11.5 to 135.50, though we were over 140 today. We got some red coming in here. We got some selling coming in here in certain areas. Pfizer 47.08 after hitting 47.75. 47.62, pardon me, 47.62 on Pfizer. I'm not sure if that's even accurate. My phone is acting up again. I'm having trouble giving you accurate quotes. I'd like to be better than this. It's frustrating. We're up 840 on the Dow right now. Got a lot of crazy activity here. Rugman to the rescue, everybody. Rugman to the rescue. Yoink! The superpower of Yoink. Look out. Uncle Bruce, have you been able to get the theme song link to work? Not yet. I have been up to here in lesson 14. I've got lesson 14 on YouTube private, and now I got to get it out to everybody, and I've got to get it onto the website still. I'm working on that. That's priority. Then I can move on. I'm just in front of so many projects at the same time. Zach taking a cue from the master today and whipping up a bacon, egg, and cheese bagel with the horseradish mayo. Good call, Uncle Bruce. Go to your good, Uncle Bruce. No worries. It's all good. It's all good. It's all good, good, good. Let's see here. What else is happening here? So much going on. 835 gain on the Dow now. As we are teetering along here, the question is, can we hold this or will this give up some gains now as the second hour of the market is coming into focus here? GameStop 24.68, 24.71, trying a little rally, 534 on SoFi, 29.04 on HBQ. And the Dow hanging on with an 838 gain at the moment. We're 2 hours, 12 minutes into our morning show. Financial Mischief, I bought another 1,000 shares of SoFi today. Splair, already 39 up on my calls. Still hold on. No, it's JR. And no problem, buddy. I know you got other more pressing stuff too. I think it will give you a good laugh, though. Hello, using today's profits, picking up another 1,000 shares of ATIP. Scoop them up, people, if you can. Use some loose change and buy up this ATIP at 65 cents. Steal it. Just steal it. Steal it, steal it, steal it. Average way down here. Get this average down, and let's go from there. 187.60 on Tesla, 142.80 on Apple. GameStop, 24.60 again, holding a 149 gain, down $1.10 from the high of the day on GameStop. SoFi 534 up 36. The Dow holding a gain of 849 points is what I think we got here. I'm looking at 3 different quotes to make sure we're accurate on that number. Oh my, are we having fun or what? Oh my, oh my, oh my, kids. All right. Okay. I'm going to take a bit of a break here. Nick, way to go. Nick, in the morning, sold 5 Rocket Lab April 7th for 65 cents. Rock and roll, pal. Deuce is saying that there's a SoFi 10Q out right now. There's some kind of a report on SoFi. Let's see if I can find it. There we go. We'll go over there. Stock's 535, up 36 cents. See if I can get this to work. SEC filings. 10Q out. No, I haven't got one out today. The last one I see is September. I don't see one on a 10Q or any filing on SoFi today. I got nothing. If anyone has a copy of that, let me know what it is. But I don't see anything on SoFi right now. Excuse me. Okay. And there's this, that, and other things. 867 gain on the Dow, it would appear. Now 850. We're up 856 on the Dow at the moment. GameStop back to 24.48. We're backing off again on GameStop. Coming back down. Interesting stuff. Okay. Sold 30 SoFi April 7th for 76, says Nick. Trucker Tech, look at that drop on GameStop. Rugman deployed. And we're at 24.57 on GameStop, 24.36 on GameStop. Looks like we're backing off again on GameStop right now. 24.50 on GameStop. Deuce, I just emailed it to you, Bruce. SoFi filed a Q3 2022 report. So it's probably just their financials, most likely. Here we go. See if we can fire this thing up. There we go. Yeah, this is a long read. Oh, this is a 158-page long report. There you go. Yeah, no idea. No idea. I haven't got time to read this right now. That is a long filing, probably just what they have to do. And then Charlie telling me about a filing on Spire that came through right on. That would be from last night's release of their financials. Right on, everybody. Thank you. Thank you for all these updates and these heads ups. We'll try to get to those later. Thank you all for being here today, guys. I appreciate your participation, to say the least. What a day. 218 thumbs ups. Hit the thumbs up button if you can, if you're still here with us. Really appreciate it. We love it. 227 are here watching. We have 218 thumbs ups. It is fabulous. Thank you. We're at 24.81 on GameStop. A little volatility going here. Uncle Bruce's GameStop volatility okay now for a poor man AC. If you can get those deep in the money calls and immediately write something on it, go for it. Bring cash in against these poor man covered calls. Rugman is standing by at the white courtesy phone. You rang? 10Q November 9th, says Mike. That was yesterday. Deuce, debt increased 15% year over year, but loans went up 85%. How's that? Thank you, Bank Charter and Deposits, Mike. So when do they delist? Deuce, man, that looks strong. Right on. All good, all good. A 1.2 billion cash on hand. Yeah, buddy, we're doing great here. Spare, I already never finished a book after 100 pages. I'm usually gone. So you're saying there's a chance. What a great day, Uncle Bruce. Thank you, says AJ. It is one heck of a day today, isn't it? We're up 887 on the Dow, trying to hold on. We'll keep an eye on these markets. I'll be back again today at 3 o'clock Eastern for the final hour of trading, unless something really goofy happens in the meantime. Thank you all so much for your support, these thumbs ups, all the encouragement. 220 thumbs ups now. Thank you, everybody, for this. We'll stay on top of this whole thing. I'll keep an eye on it. You guys keep an eye on it. 24.91 on GameStop, trying a little rally. We'll see these from time to time. Use these opportunities to do rollovers or rights, and then watch for the dips, and we'll see where we go from here. Everybody, thank you so much. I'll catch you this afternoon. Matthew, thank you. Hybrid Duncan, I'm number 219. Thank you, Constantine. Neat. Thank you, Uncle Bruce from Zach Splair. Yep, thanks to you all for a great day from me as well. Neat, John Anderson. Thanks, everybody. Thank you, John. I'll see you this afternoon at 3 o'clock Eastern for the final hour of the day. Let's see what craziness we get, and let's keep the money rolling into your accounts. Congratulations, everybody. Well done today. Keep it going. You're working your backside off for us, Uncle B. We appreciate it. Keep it going, guys. We'll stay on top of these markets for you, and I'll see you this afternoon. Bye from Calgary.